Little chocolate puppies are here. Maggie had 4 little cockapoos. They are so little. 1 girl and 3 boys. So sweet. And there's Mama, proud Mama, out here after having her 4 little puppies. Maggie, you did good. Trying to find her a spot.
I can't handle crowds.
Well, I'll let her have some peace. Well, today we have new additions to the farm. We have 4 baby cockapoos. It took her about 2 hours. The 3rd one was born breech, so I'm glad we were here to help assist because we did have to pull him out. And then the 4th one did fine. But I think 4 is all she's going to have. She's already went outside, went to the restroom, did her business. So she's back inside and they're doing good. But we have 3 boys and 1 little girl. So, and 2 of them have black and, well, I say black, chocolate and white on them. And it could be a tricolor. It could be some sable, like on the top of her head, because she's sable. But we're all excited about them. I don't know what we're going to do with them. Do we want puppies? I wondered at least have 1 litter because, you know, everybody needs to be a mom at least once, right? So, I don't know if we're going to go through this ordeal because she had a little trouble, it being her first time. She was, you know, a little upset, but she did perfect though for her first time mama. She cleaned him up really good, really fast, was real attentive and still is. And so I'm going to let you see him one more time and then we're going to just let them be and let them spend the day together. And Steve and I have got some things that we're going to do outside. We have been putting up our gates that we purchased from Real King. And so yesterday, Steve put one up, 8-foot gate. So today I think we may put up a 10-foot gate and, you know, just do something a little bit each day to improve the farm. So I just thought I would pop on, let you see Maggie and her babies, and then we'll, let me show you just one. Hold on. This one has white on its head, just a little dot, and underneath. Isn't it sweet? Oh my goodness, it's so little. And the little female, she is really curly. She's already curling up. And the daddy is a Cocker Spaniel, and the mother is a poodle. Well, she's a cockapoo, but she has more traits of the poodle because she's real curly and long hair. But they're a dark chocolate right now. Now, they may change in color, but I think this one's going to have 4 little white feet. Isn't that precious? Look at that. It's precious. Okay, I'm going to put it back with its mom. Sweet. Okay.
I would like to hang your light too.
Well, I thank you for coming out and hanging out with me today, just looking at my little puppies. We may have another video later on today, but I just wanted to let you see our new addition to the farm. God bless you. Until next time. Bye. And babies. Yep. Mama and babies. I guess okay. We hadn't had puppies here in a long time. Maggie's getting a nest made.